Back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito kami sa Alwada Mall again at nakatagpo ulit ako ng bagong kaibigan tulad ng dati. Ganun po. So hinanap ko po yung simbahan. So ang layo talaga ng nilakad ko. At si ate yung binigay sa akin. Shoutout ate naman dyan from Ilocos. Hello guys! Ay ngayon po ang aking routine ay maghanap kami ng halagang, kasi may budget po ako na 10 dirhams lang. So maghanap kami ng pwede naming merienda ni ate. 10 dirhams. Sa ating pera is, magkano ate yan sa pera natin? 150 pesos. So dito ay 10 dirhams. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako, hahanap tayo.
Grapes.
2 dirhams. 2 karakti and 1 water. And how much this?
And this one 3 dirham.
How? I have 10 dirhams only.
You can buy it.
What?
You have 10 dirham, right?
If I open my video, I
Okay,
interview
no
for you.
problem.
Okay? Okay, I have 2 karak and 1 water. And the change is,
One snack, something.
no, like this. How much this?
2 dirhams.
2 dirhams?
You can buy 3 dirham only, man.
No, I want 2.
2 piece, okay? No problem. You can take the banana fry saging.
Okay, okay. Saging? Okay. This is the 10 dirhams that I will buy. Ito yung mabibili ko sa 10 dirhams. Yan. Pinagbigyan ako ni Kuya. Yan. At meron na kaming merienda. Shout out. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
From Alwada Mall.
Dr. Sheikh, Bana Salat.
Yeah. Thank you.